In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer account login icon in Shopify. This little feature can significantly enhance the user experience on your online store and make it easier for returning customers to log in to their accounts. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference to your shop's professionalism and functionality. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various aspects of your store's operations and interface. Next, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find a list of categories you can modify. Among them, you'll see an option titled Customer Accounts. Click on this to proceed to the next step. This section deals with all aspects of customer management and is crucial for store owners who wish to streamline the customer experience. Once you're on the Customer Accounts page, look for an option that says Show Sign-in Links. Enabling this feature will prompt Shopify to display a profile icon or login icon at the header of your online store. This icon acts as a quick access point for customers wishing to sign in or create an account. Just imagine how much easier it will be for your returning customers. No more searching around the site trying to find where to log in. It's right there at the top for them to see. And there you have it. With just those few clicks, you can achieve a sleeker, more user-friendly online store. This small addition can greatly contribute to customer satisfaction, as it makes their experience more fluid. Especially for businesses with a lot of return customers, having an easily accessible login option is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. This step-by-step approach is hassle-free and super straightforward, but if you do encounter any issues while enabling this feature, don't hesitate to revisit your steps. Sometimes something as simple as a page refresh can be all you need if changes don't appear right away. Also, remember to test the login feature yourself. By logging in as a customer, you can ensure everything's working smoothly from their perspective. Thank you for tuning in to learn about adding a customer account login icon to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips that can help optimize your e-commerce business. Leave your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.